In Ohio, you can refuse a breath test if asked to take one by a law enforcement officer. However, it's important to know how that can impact you. If you're charged with a first offense OVI and you take the breath test, the officer will give you a yellow sheet of paper, which is a BMV Form 2255, and right now, your license is suspended through the BMV for 90 days. The first 15 days of that is supposed to be a hard time suspension, meaning that you're not supposed to be eligible for driving privileges for the first 15 days from the date of the offense. If you refuse to take a breath test, your license is suspended for 1 year, so a more severe penalty. The hard time suspension is 30 days, meaning it's supposed to take 30 days before you're eligible to get driving privileges for work or school, limited driving privileges. However, if you hire an experienced attorney, they might be able to go and help you get those privileges sooner rather than later. If you have a prior OVI conviction or a DUI conviction in the past 10 years, if you refuse to take a breath test, that will make the penalties more severe. For example, you would now be looking at 20 days mandatory minimum consecutive in jail, where if you take the breath test, you would be looking at 10 days mandatory minimum consecutive in jail, unless you go and test above a .170, in which case you would also be looking at 20 days mandatory minimum in jail.